Okay, so hello everybody. My name is After, and today we're going to talk about a tree. So, a tree, it's pretty simple. It's like a family tree. Now we're going to do a tree. Okay, so let's start off with it. It's pretty simple. First, we have a binary tree where we just make a normal tree. Okay, then we have a binary search tree where we have to search for numbers. Okay, you'll just see what I mean. Let's say we have a circle. I'll put it here. I'll make it a very small, very small, um, that's good enough. Here, what we're gonna write. Actually, first of all, let's add a text over here. If you guys see, oh, I think you guys will see this. So, anyways, 10, comma, 20, comma, 30, comma, 40, comma, 50, comma, 60, comma, 70, comma, 80. And put this, no, wait, what is this? Okay, now let's start with our shapes. Add it there. Um, so first we have to start with number 10. Yeah, number 10. Then make an arrow. I don't know how we tilt this. Make this very small. Oh, very small. And um I don't know how you wait. Let's add this arrow. Um let's delete it now. Let's add a line for now. Okay, that's gonna be easier. Next, so we're gonna go left, right, and so on. Okay, so next we're gonna put here 20. Then add a line over there, add a circle right there, and then the next number is 30. Add the line somewhere over here. Add shape. Here's gonna be 40. Add the line. Here's going to be 50. 50. Next, we will add 60. We're basically going left, right, left, right, left, right. Then we're going to do binary search tree. So, 60. Then, 70. 70. Then, 80. So, that's how a basic tree works. Now, we're actually going to do the binary search tree. So, in these numbers, we're gonna add 5 numbers in here. Delete everything, oh, except for this. Don't delete everything, just delete. Okay, we'll delete everything right now. Okay, let's go. So first, we have to create a circle. Which is our root node 10. After that, we have a line. Now here, the numbers that are less than 10 go left. Numbers that are greater than 10 go on the right. So here I'm going to change it and put a random list instead because I don't think this is like 10, 5, 26, 48, 5, 7, and 23. This is it. That's all we're gonna put. So first number is 5. You guys can pause the video and think, does it go on the left or it goes on the right? Left or right? Well, I think it's right, so I will go right. It actually is left. Then we go on the right because 20 is greater than 10. We go on the left because 5 is less than 10. Next number is 6. 6 is less than 10. It goes to the left, but then it means 5. It has to go to the left or the right of 5. It goes to the right of 5. Okay? You guys can pause the video for this too if you wanted to. But I already told you the answer if you didn't pause the video. 6. Next, we have 48. Greater than 10 goes on the right. Greater than 20 goes on the right of 22. 48, make the line in here and here and 48. 5. Why did I add double fives? 7 will also go right, left of 10, right of 5, and also right of 6. Pause the videos for every question I do. Every number I do, just pause the video to think. This is a test if you know this, okay? Now, 10 goes where? Pause the video and think. Okay? It goes on the right. Then 20. So if it's 23, it goes on the left or right of 20. Where? Pause the video for this. It goes on the right. Then we meet 48. Does it go on the left of 48 or does it go on the right of 48? You pause the video and think. Okay? This is a test of how much you know about this. Okay? If you done it, I think this is easy, but I already told you what to do, so I think this is easy for you guys. Also for the ones that I told. It goes on the left of 48. What did I say? So 23 goes on the left of 48. And this is how our binary search tree works. So let's say you want to search for 23, let's say. So we have to check 10. No, we don't have to check 10. So let's use logic. If 23 is greater than 10, where should we check? Left or right? Pause the video for this. Okay? Right. So this side is out. We don't have to check it. Now we just have to check the right side. We find 20. 20 it's not 23 yet. But look, we have to check on the right? We meet 48. 48? Right? There's no right section over here, but there's a left section. Now if we go left, we find 23. Okay? That was like we found this in like 3 times. It was actually pretty simple. Now I'll write the formula for you guys. The formula is okay for this binary search tree. I'll just write it here. Less plus what is plus? Less number less no, actually let me write this. If the number is less than the what did I do? Then the root number, which is the top number 10, okay? Root number uh it has to go on the left. It has to go on the left. Write this in your notebook if you have one. Okay? So you don't forget the formula. If right, I mean not right. If greater than root node, they call this node root node. Root node goes on the right. So I'll fix that up. Okay? So that's what it is. You can pause the video and copy the formula. Okay? Okay. So, thank everyone for listening about my videos, about video, about listening, about this. So thank everyone for listening about my video about this tree. We're gonna talk about the in order traversal, pre-order and post-order. If you know what this is, good for you. Okay. We're gonna talk about this in the next video. Okay. So this is gonna be the next topic. I'm gonna record the video. Make sure you guys watch it. Okay. Thank everyone for listening about my video. I hope you like it. And